In this video, I'll show you how to change the pay rate in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the fifth option, which is payroll. Now, under payroll, simply head over to the employee management section. And at the bottom, simply click on employees. Now, on the employee section, what you need to do is simply head over to the employee in which you want to change the pay rate. Let's say we want to increase the pay rate of Odette Garrison. So just simply click on that employee. And once you click on that employee, it will automatically take you to its personal details. And from here, head over to the top and click on the third to the last option, which is the pay template. Now on the pay template section, at the bottom in here, you will find the earnings rate. What we need to do is simply head over to the ordinary hours, and on the right hand side in here, we can change the rate. So on the earnings rate, you can add an earnings line and add your specific pay, but on the ordinary hours, this is what they really get every day. So on the right hand side, we have this set as hours. This is 35 hours in a week. The rate is set as 21 per hour. Now from the rate section, you can decide if you want to increase or decrease. Let's say we want to increase the pay. So instead of 21, we're going to make it into 30. And once you change the rate on the right-hand side, it will automatically adjust the total amount for that week. So let's say we want to increase this to 50. It will automatically change the total amount again. If we want to decrease this to 10, it will also change its total amount. Now, if you have a fixed amount for the earnings rate, it will be the same thing. What we need to do is just change the exact amount depending on when they are paid. So for Odette Garrison, she does have a weekly payment. So on the fixed amount, we want to set this as either 1,000 per week, depending on how you want it to look like. And once you do that, it will automatically adjust. Now, let's say you want to change the earnings rate for all of the employees as a whole. What we need to do is simply change the ordinary hours. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the top and click on payroll again. At the bottom, simply head over to payroll settings. And once you were on the payroll settings section, head over to the top and click on the fourth tab for pay items. And on the earnings, you want to make sure that earning is selected on the left-hand side. You want to scroll down until you find ordinary hours. In here, we have set ordinary hours. On the right-hand side, if you click on the three dots for more actions for that earning line, in here, you will have an option to edit. So if we click on edit, we can set a rate per unit. So in here, the types of units that I added are per hour. At the bottom, this should be the rate per unit. So in here, you can now set a specific rate. So let's say we want to add 30 per hour. And once you do that, it will automatically add within all of your employees. Now, once you are satisfied with the rate per unit, head over to the bottom and click on save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.